My Webflow career started in July of 2013. I still remember the very moment I logged into the closed beta of Webflow, and after just 1 hour of playing with the tool, my life forever changed. And I needed to tell everyone about it. My fandom grew even more when I found the official forums and ultimately, my people. Community members that also love the tool. It was on these forums that I grew new friendships and a deeper understanding of what it means to support a community. It was from this experience of evangelizing not just the tool, but the community members that helped me become the 14th Webflow employee. In the 8 years I worked at Webflow, I never lost that passion of empathetic support and evangelism. I have helped countless people start their Webflow journeys through my time in customer service, YouTube tutorial videos, live streams, and I even produced and hosted a live game show. This month marks the start to my second decade of supporting this wonderful community, but now with even bigger ambitions through my own platform that I'm calling Ophelia. Ophelia is the helpful, reassuring expert every Webflow creator needs to have on speed dial. Ophelia is a friendly face, a mentor, and a community all rolled into one. We are all Ophelia means everyone in the Ophelia community supports each other in growing their skills, overcoming obstacles, troubleshooting challenges, and helping each other reach those light bulb moments to ultimately produce beautiful Webflow projects. Ophelia is quite simply creators supporting creators. Throughout this month, we'll be explaining more about how this platform will work, introduce the team that is helping me build it, and reveal the experts who have already signed on. If you want to stay up to date with all of this and celebrate our upcoming launch, follow us on our social media channels or sign up for our newsletter at hiophelia.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for making the web beautiful together. See ya.